The hand sanitizer I want to stitch today is sanitizer made with aloe vera. I'm making 100 ml of hand sanitizer. So I have with me here my isopropyl alcohol. This is my IPA here. And I'll be using 700 ml of this IPA here. Hope you understand. And next thing, my aloe vera here. I'll be using 30 ml of my aloe vera. And my vitamin E, my peppermint oil. So that's all. Then my glycerin here. Now let's get started. So I'll be introducing my aloe vera here into a bowl. So this is my aloe vera of 30 ml. And I'll be introducing my IPA to it gradually as I mix. So my IPA is 70 ml since I'm making 100 ml. Now there's something I want to tell you here. If you want something thicker than this, then you need to add more aloe vera. Hope you understand. So this is it here. Can you see? I've mixed it together to have a smooth blend. So I'm adding my aloe vera again. This I want a thicker concentration here. But majorly, you need to take note that if you really want something that works well, your alcohol must be 70% of all your total production. So I'll be adding my vitamin E here, and I'll be adding just 2 to 3 drops. If it's capsule, 1 capsule is enough. So it serves as a protective chemical here, and at the same time it helps in preserving our hand sanitizer. So here I'm adding my essential oil. And I'm adding, this is it, can you see? I have a colorless one here. So it will give me a colorless, can you see? So you can add up to 2.5 ml. Let's say 8 to 10 drops of your essential oil, depending on this kind of smell you want. So if you want a stronger smell, you can add more. Can you see my sanitizer here? Can you see? So I'm done with my sanitizer here. But majorly, there's no rule to the alcohol content of your sanitizer. You can add between 70 to 80%, depends, but at least let it be 70%. So that it will work well for what you intend using it for. So this is it here. Then I have my packaging material here. Can you see the cover here? So I'm done with my aloe vera. So it's as simple as that. Then if you like, you can add your glycerin. Okay, let's add glycerin. Because I already have my aloe vera as the base here. That's why it's not important to add glycerin, but if you want to add, you can add. You just add few drops to it too. Just to add more moisturizing effect to your hand sanitizer. So you mix very well to blend. So I'm going to pour it inside my container here. since I only made 100 mils here. So this is it here. I have my sanitizer ready. So this is hand sanitizer made with aloe vera here. So basically, this is what I use personally. But if you intend selling your hand sanitizer, I would advise you to go for the hand sanitizer made with gel, so that you have a very clear and transparent one. But this one works well, works very well. So if you want to make it on a commercial basis, I would advise you to go for the alcohol one. That's the gel one. So we are done for today's training. You can see that majorly what we do here, we don't really have complicated methods of producing everything I've showed you here. Everything I've shown you in this training, they are very easy. If you take the guide that I've given you, you take it, you read it well, you master it, and you follow the steps accordingly, you won't have any problem. So that's why I've taken time to show you exactly how I do it, so that when you want to do yours, you always have something to fall back on. Check if what you're doing is correct or not.